This handheld car vacuum from AHNR combines suction, blowing, and inflating functions, so it can handle everything from floor mats to keyboards and pool toys without needing separate tools. Its brushless motor delivers very strong suction in 2 power levels, giving enough pull to lift grit from carpets while running more efficiently and with less wear than older brush designs. The dual-stage filtration system with a metal prefilter and a reusable HEPA element traps both larger debris and fine dust while keeping airflow strong and protecting the motor. A high-capacity rechargeable battery supports extended cleaning sessions on a single charge, and the relatively quick recharge time means the vacuum is ready again without much waiting. Because it is cordless, very light and shaped for a comfortable grip, it is easy to maneuver into tight spaces in the car or around the house without straining your wrist. Noise levels stay pleasantly low for a vacuum of this power, and its compact body and included accessories stored neatly in a glove box or small cabinet, so it is always within reach.